So you just want to build a search bar with vector search. Now, what if I told you that you could accomplish a complex feature like this in two simple function calls inside of a vanilla Postgres instance? Now, that can't be possible, right? I mean, you've got to worry about things like, storing your embeddings, generating those embeddings, and then, what if your data changes? You also have to go and refresh those same embeddings. And so in order to accomplish this, you're likely going to have to pull in a few SaaS products, maybe some libraries, and everything just becomes super complex and frustrating. But yes, it is actually possible to do this on top of Postgres using an extension that we made called PG Vectorize. So I've got my CLI open here, and I'm connected to a Postgres instance running Postgres 15. And before we can actually search, we have to have some data. So I've got a products table here populated with about 40 items. This table's got a product ID, a product name, a description, and then your typical updated at field. And the first thing that we're going to run here is we're going to run a function called vectorize.table. This function will take in a job name. In this case, I'm going to call it product search. We'll select the table that we want to perform vector search on. In this case, it is the products table, and then I specified the primary key and then the columns that I want to perform search on. So in this case, the only relevant ones is the product name and the description. I'll hit enter, and then that's going to initialize that job. And then the next thing that we'll run is the actual search command. So this command here, select all from vectorize.search, I specify the job name. That job is the job that runs and automatically refreshes your embeddings whenever new things get inserted into the products table. And then the query that we'll do is accessories for mobile devices. And then I just want to return the product ID and the product name, and then limit it to 3 results. So I'll hit enter, and then boom, I get my 3 results. We've got phone charger, tablet holder, and Bluetooth speaker. And there we have it, guys. That was doing vector search on Postgres in 2 simple commands. If you want to go and try this out for yourself, you can go to cloud.tembo.io.